Hello lovelies, how are you doing today? Today we're going to talk about the game Wordle. It's kind of taken the nation by storm the last few months. I saw people posting on Facebook these boxes of different colors, green and yellow boxes with the Wordle name on it, and I didn't know what it was, so I checked it out. It's pretty fun. It is a game where you're trying to discern one 5-letter word. Everyone that plays is trying to find the same word. So it's fair. Everybody's on an equal ground to begin with. It is not an app, it is a website. So I will link the website in the description so you can easily find it and play along. I'm going to show you some pictures and we're going to learn how to play so you can join everybody else. Let's get going. So this is what it looks like when you open the game after you click in the website. You have 5 letters across and you have 6 tries to guess the word. You simply start out by choosing a 5-letter word. You're guessing. Most people choose something with common letters so they can confirm that those letters are in the word or eliminate them. Some people use the same word every day. Some people change it up. This is the word that I chose yesterday. I chose steam. I typed it in and I hit enter. Once I hit enter, it lets me know how I did so I can keep moving on from there. The colors change automatically. The S, T, and the E are in the word, but they are in the wrong place. The A and the M are not in the word at all. They are blacked out. So I know that those 3 letters are in the word, but I need to change the position. So I guess my second word using those letters, but moving them around. I chose crest. It is now showing me the S in green, which tells me the S is in the correct place. The E and the T are in the word, but they are still in the wrong place. The CR are not in the word at all. So then I chose the word those. Now you see that it is totally in green. So that tells me that I have guessed the correct word. It took me 3 tries. If you don't get it in 6 tries, you have failed for the day. Once you're done, you have the ability to share it. This automatically pops up on the screen and you see the green share button. When you click that, it'll open up your social media, your messages, your emails, so you can send it to friends if you want to compete. You do not tell them the letters that you chose, it just lets them know how you did by showing them your boxes. This is what it looks like once you send it to someone else. It shows that I got it in 3 tries out of 6. The number 227 is simply that word. Tomorrow it will be 228. Yesterday it was 226. So that's easy. If you forget to click share and you need to go back later and do it, you can open the screen again, and I circled the emblem that you would have to click in order to reshare it, and then the share box comes back up and you can share it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Enjoy. Let me know how you did.